In the previous video, we learned how to use the multi-select widget and how to work with multiple selections at the same time. This time we're moving into something new and very practical. We're going to work with a date picker and build a simple age calculator together. We start by creating a date picker widget where the user can select their birth date from a calendar. Then, just like before, we place everything inside a column layout. We add a friendly title, a short instruction, and put our date picker below it. At this stage, our app is very simple. It just shows the date selector on the screen. Finally, we call servable so Panel can actually display this in the browser. If we run the app now, we'll see the date picker appear. You can click and pick a date, but notice that nothing else happens yet. There is no feedback, no message, and no calculation. The widget is there, but it's still passive. That's completely fine because we're about to bring it to life. So let's continue. Next, we create two output areas, one to show the selected date and another to display the calculated age. After that, we write our callback function. Inside this function, we first check if the user has actually selected a date. If not, we keep showing default messages. If a date is selected, we calculate how many total days have passed since that date, then convert that into years and remaining days. Finally, we update both output areas, one saying which date was chosen and the other showing the user's age in years and days. We then attach this function to the date picker so it runs automatically whenever the user picks a new date. Before we run it again, let's remember to add the second output area to our layout as well. Otherwise, we won't see the age on the screen. Now, when we run the app, everything comes together. I pick a date, and instantly I can see both the selected date and my calculated age appear side by side. It feels interactive, responsive, and a little bit magical. And just like that, we've learned how to combine a date picker with logic and dynamic output in Panel. In the next video, we'll keep building on this and continue learning Python and Panel step by step.